Now for our featured story of the day. Bitcoin Rainbow Chart says Bitcoin will reach 250,000 per Bitcoin. But will this prediction come true? Let's discuss it. And I'm going to show you the chart right here. And in the flesh. Welcome everyone just joining the stream as well. Good to see you guys here. So as you know, while short-term price action shows bearishness, the higher time frame price trend is strongly bullish. In the past 6 months, measured from late January, we showed lows of 38,500. So keep that in mind, family. We have come a long way since the beginning of this year. Bitcoin has literally gained close to 55%. And the current all-time high of 73.8 we reached mid-March. It has set a higher low at 56.5, marking it as the critical support level for buyers to defend. In the coming weeks, we'll see if 60,000 holds up, family. The Bitcoin Rainbow Chart showed it is still a great time to buy the biddies. This chart represented Bitcoin's price movement on a logarithmic scale and can be useful for the investors to predict the potential Bitcoin cycle tops. So gauging the cycle top from the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart. This is brought to you by Blockchain Center. Check it. The multicolor chart highlights different zones from Bitcoin is dead to maximum bubble territory. And at press time, Bitcoin was in the rather aggressively buy mark zone. You can say that again. You can see in this chart, it shows you the maximum bubble territory in the red. Then you can see the sell seriously sell, a little lighter red, and then the orange FOMO intensifies. Then the darker yellow is this a bubble. Then the bright yellow hodl. Then the light green still cheap, the dark green accumulate. Then you got the teal buy, and then you have the blue, basically a fire sale followed by the purple, which means Bitcoin is dead. Now at press time, the chart was confident. There is a long way yet for this cycle's price discovery to continue to stretch. A and B Crypto observed that the past 2 cycle maximums occurred 17 to 18 months after the halving. Extrapolating that to the current cycle, a maximum could be reached in September or October of next year in 2025. That's if history is to rhyme, family. Let me know if you agree. I personally agree that we're likely to hit the cycle peak in 2025 and more than likely around that time as well. I want to know your thoughts. In 2021, Bitcoin was unable to ascend past. Is this a bubble territory? A and B Crypto chose to be more conservative this time, assuming Bitcoin might not cross the hodl territory this time. Even this conservative bet puts Bitcoin at 260,000 with 373,000 being the estimate. Should Bitcoin spill into this, is this a bubble territory? So there you go, even more bullish, 373,000 next year. Send it. So there you have it, something to mark on your calendar. Sell Bitcoin above 250,000 in September of 2025. But of course, this is not an accurate prediction and is based solely on the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart and the previous cycle's halvings and top timings. Noting, this is not investment advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So there you have it, family. Let me know your thoughts surrounding this Bitcoin Rainbow Chart suggesting 250, 370. Holla at your boy. I'm going to read as many of these comments out loud. Let's freaking go. Bone Daddy says, let's freaking go. 373. Bring it, broskies. Welcome to the Q&A segment of the live show. Rainbow Chart was wrong last cycle. It had to be updated. Well, you got the update, family. Same with stock to flow. However, there was a lot of things that occurred in the market which were not anticipated, like unexpected death blow of FTX, in which definitely impacted and stopped our bull run a little early. A lot of experts say if we didn't have Bankman-Fried and FTX and the Terra Luna collapse, we could have easily hit 100,000 off of the retail FOMO from last cycle back in 2021. Let me know your thoughts on that. With JB, game over, April 2025. There you go. What up from your old hometown here again, Pinellas County? That's what's up. I'm in Largo. I used to get my haircuts in Largo. I was repping Clearwater, Florida. Pinellas, let's go. Back to Dunedin. I used to box back in Dunedin when I attended school. That was my high school days, family. Our boxing gym was in Dunedin. I used to go boxing with my friend who was a professional boxer, Boxer Brian. So Dunedin brings back a lot of memories, Doc. Welcome, family. Hashtag FJB. Gotta rewind. Let's do it. After the live stream, though, we're still going to be streaming for the next hour, fam. So anyone just finding the channel or watching the live stream, whether you're on X, Rumble, or YouTube, be sure to hit the likes, subscribe, and repost this and interact in the chat. We do have a live poll. When Bitcoin 100K? Will it be August, September, October, November, December, January, February? or later. Holla. We'll end this poll here shortly, and I'll read the results for you. At 100K, FOMO will be insane. Insane. I dig it. Killing gold ETF. Bitcoin will go bull like gold did back in the day. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore, but some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Y'all remember that throwback? I don't even know the name of that artist or that song, but I'm going to assume it was called Back in the Day. I think I remember the video from Yo MTV Raps. Remember, he was like balling. He was very short. Anyways, I am hearing Strike is officially launched in the UK. That's a win. Shout out Strike, Jack Maulers. Let's go. UK for the win. Shout out Golden Eagle 99. That's right. That's what we call him, Melda the Gray. You nailed it.
Fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor.
Shout out Jesse Oro. What it do, broski? Welcome to the stream. Let's get it. October, 100K. Send it. 225,000 end of the year, says JC. 500 to 750 as a cycle peak. I agree.